Finally, Tapswap has made the move and they've calculated the airdrops and should I call it chicken change? Well, chicken change, and they've also added the very first exchange you can withdraw your token to while you wait for the listing. All right, so we're going to be heading over to quickly show you how you can withdraw your Tapswap or Taps token into your Bitget wallet right here in this video. Hello there, and welcome back to your favorite channel. And in this quick video is about Tapswap. The updates about Tapswap, Airdrop, and the token withdrawal. So they've done the calculation. In the last video, I showed you things you needed to do, and so they've calculated it all. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you because season 1 is over, so we are on to season 2. And the question is, do you want to play season 2? Well, if you would play season 2, I think you should also find out what value you got from season 1. And that is my own stance on this. So we are going to be looking at what Tapswap gave me. So you can also let me know in the comments what they gave you, and then we head on to making our withdrawal. All right, so I quickly go here to the drop section. You can see my Taps balance is 104. I had about 354 million. Yes. Is it 540 something million? I can't even remember again. All right. And is it 54 million? Well, I have several hundreds of millions. I know that when I check back, I could check that. And my okay, check in the last video, I think you see it there, but for all of that, with all of the effort and tax and tap it down 100% completion, what that amounted to according to Tapswap is 104 taps. So the question is, at what price will Tapswap be listing? At what price? That's what will determine whether this 104 is worth the while, and that will also determine if I should play or recommend you playing the season 2. Already I've been advising that we need to really grab other opportunities outside of these tap games. But then let's go and see. So here you have the opportunity to withdraw to Bitget. That's the very first exchange listed here. And my exchange is Bitget. And if you don't have a Bitget account, I recommend you check in the description. You'll see a link to get started with Bitget. All right. So, and then you follow the guide here now to withdraw your Taps token. So first here, click here or tap here. So it asks you, do you have a Bitget Exchange account? If you don't have it, follow the link in the description of this video and you will open an account. But you have it, after opening an account, you just tap on yes, I have it. So what you'll be required to enter here now will be your Bitget Exchange UID, that's the user ID, and the Bitget Exchange deposit address to receive Taps Airdrop. So let me check. I understand that I will lose my tokens if I send them to the wrong address. I check that first. So now let me show you how you can get your Bitget UID. So let's head on to the page. Now I'm using laptop to do this. So when you are in here now, this is my Bitget account. So what you do is the UID, just tap on this thing that looks like an avatar, human avatar, in any case. So tap on it or click on it, and then you see the UID. See my own UID. I copy it. So I get back here. So I paste it here. It's pasted. So next is the Taps the wallet address, the Taps wallet address. So let's get back there. So here now, this time around, okay, we are still here now. So you just click here, click on deposit, and so it opens for you to make a deposit. Okay, so as it opens now, you select a coin. All right, so by default, it's showing you USDT. So you just tap in there and type TAPS. All right, that's Tapswap. You can see there, Taps. Okay, so you select network. The network is BEP. That's the Binance Smart Chain. So select that, and then you scroll up. The address shows up here now. So what do? You copy the address. All right, you verify your address information when pasting to avoid any potential loss of funds due to mistakes. All right, so that is it. So you just check that it starts at from OXEAD and it ends at E4AD. So you just go back here. So I'm back here now, so I paste it. You just confirm that OXEAD ends at E4AD. So that's it. So I continue. All right. So confirm withdraw to buy a Bitget exchange account. The UID is this, the address is this, amount is 104 taps, all right, balance, KYC passed only. So only accounts with a past KYC can be used for withdrawal. So to do your KYC with Bitget is very fast and smooth. If you're in Nigeria, you can use your NIN, you can use your driver's license, you can use your international passport, any of these can do. All right. Okay, so you can use your BVN also. So I just confirm. All right, confirm. All right, beautiful. Withdraw to Bitget Exchange in progress. Tabs will be available soon on Bitget Exchange on the listing date. So what happens here? You won't see this in your. You may not see it in your Bitget account yet. You know, other projects have happened like that, like majors and all that. So you one thing is that you have withdrawn to Bitget. So on the listing date, we will know. Now they shifted it. I don't know whether it's 23rd of February, which other date, but then we'll keep updating you on the listing date for taps. All right, Tapswap. Excuse me, please. So on the listing date, I'll see 104 taps in my Bitget wallet. And my question is, will it be at $1? Will it be at $2? Will it be at 0.1, 0.0005? If it's anything less than If it's anything less than $1, seriously, I will want to say it's a waste, seriously. Or if it's anything less than $0.5, if it's anything less than $0.5, because at least if I have $0.5, 104 could give me around $50, right? Yeah, at least it's comforting after putting all the effort for almost a year. All right, so let me know in the comments, do you have a Bitget account? Withdraw right now and wait for the listing date. Let me know also how much did you receive? How much tabs did you receive? Let me know in the comments. Like this video, share it, and subscribe. Also, remember to smash the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop the next important video for you. From me to you, want to say a very big thank you and God bless you.